In professional finance studies, today we will discuss formulas and functions. Lookup functions, combine lookup and matched functions, dependent drop-down using direct functions. So what is lookup functions? Use lookup functions to look up a value in one column and retrieve a value from the same position in another column or one row range. When we have to search information with two criteria, we can use the combination of lookup and match functions. Use the combination of index and match functions to search right to left or left to right. The direct function returns a reference to a range. Today's part, match function and dependent drop down using direct function. So let's start with an Excel file. Index and match function. VLOOKUP will search from left to right, but match index function will give you left to right and right to left information. If I search ID and I like to find out the result store level, index and match function can find the result from right to left and left to right also. So let's see how we can use it. Use equal sign, index, array table is from this cell position to this cell position. Press F4 to fix the total area. Use max function to match the ID. Match I have to search this store ID. Press F4, then again press F4, then again press F4. That means we have to fix this column. That means B column we have to fix. Then use comma. We have to search this ID from this column. To fix total column, press F4, use comma. We have to search exact match. Then close the parenthesis, use comma. Now I need to show the city. So again use match function. Choose this cell position, press F4, then again F4. That means we have to fix the row number. Then use comma, choose this cell position to this cell position, press F4 to fix all this information. Use exact match, close parenthesis, again close parenthesis, then press enter. This is the city of store ID 1. Copy it to right side. And copy it to downwards. This is how we can use index and max function to find different columns. Now we like to go for the next slide, that is dependent drop down and indirect functions. We have a table that is sports information. These are the summer sports and these are the winter sports. We have 2 seasons. Now we will create a range, that is season range. Select 2 seasons and type season in the name box. Then press enter. So when we select season, it will select these 2 cells. So this is the summer sport. So select this range and type summer in the name box and press enter. Like the same way, select all these sports, type winter in the name box, then press enter. Now we will apply validation rule to add 2 seasons. Select this cell, choose data, validation rule, choose list, use equal sign, use season, then press OK. See, These are the 2 seasons. Now when we choose summer, in this cell we'll show all these summer spores. How we will add this? Now we will use indirect function. Select this cell position, choose validation rule, use list, use equal sign, indirect, use bracket F3, close the parenthesis, then OK. See, all these are summer spores. Now we can change winter. Now we can use COUNTIF function to count all athletes. Use equal sign COUNTIF, criteria range is this column, use comma, the criteria range would be winter, and then second criteria range should be this column, comma, the criteria is this sports. Press enter. Now we can change the season. Summer. In the summer season there is no winter sports, that's why the result is 0. I have to change the spores. This is the result. This is how we can use indirect function.